I'm Debbie Deininger with IDT's gas sensing team. In this video, we're going to show you how to test our ZMOD4410 and 4420 total VOC sensors using our evaluation kit. These sensors provide a reliable indication of air quality in homes, schools, offices, and other indoor environments. Each evaluation kit consists of 4 different elements: the gas sensor board, a communication board, a USB cable, and a quick start guide. Plug the gas sensor board into the socket on the communication board. Please make sure not to touch the sensor element to avoid contamination and mechanical stress. Then, connect the USB cable and plug it into a computer. Download the evaluation software from IDT's website. There is no need for an installation, but please note that you might need to install a driver for the FTDI communication chip, which is also available from our website. You can run the software by starting the executable batch file, ZMOD4410-evaluation_software. On the first tab, Measurement, you will see the hardware settings. Select a folder and file to save the recorded data. Choose a sample rate and press Start to run the sensor. Use comments like Start Sensor or Gas Exposure to track your activities in the logged file. In the Analysis tab, you will see plots for the raw sensor signal on the bottom and processed signals for TVOC and ECO2 above. The indoor air quality rating based on the Federal German Environmental Agency is also indicated by a color bar at the top of the screen. When the sensor is exposed to a VOC, the sensor resistance decreases and our proprietary algorithm calculates the level of TVOC present. Thank you for your interest in IDT gas sensors. For more information, please visit our website or contact our sales teams.